Hey, what's up, James? It's Devin. Thanks for speaking with me on the phone earlier today, and thanks for checking out this video. Today, I'm going to talk to you about three things: content, backlinks, and citations. And the reason why I'm going to talk to you about these three things is because this is what the Google algorithm looks for as far as ranking websites, and this is what it's going to take to beat your competitors online. So, first, I want to start off by saying how you guys have a really nice website. It looks great. Colors are good. Good how you have a request and estimate up here, a good call to action button right in people's faces when they go to your site. Yeah, it's a really well built website. But what Google really cares the most about is that content. Content is king in Google's eyes. The average website on the front page of Google has around 1,500 to 2,000 words of content. So I do highly recommend that you get there. It's just a super important factor in ranking on Google organically. So what I did was I searched up carpet cleaning Los Angeles, and the reason why I didn't search up carpet cleaning Chatsworth is because there's not a lot of volume in that area. So I wanted to show you what it'd be like to rank in an area like LA. So we'll take a look at their website and see what they have. Yeah, so these guys also do not fall in that range of content that Google likes to see. So in Google's eyes, you're not considered authority figures. But if you get yourself to that mark with relevant content to your industry, not just any random content, you're gonna pull ahead of them, and it's also gonna leave you more room to add keywords, which is really the important part. And a keyword like carpet cleaning Los Angeles, it's pretty much just anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. So one way you could include this in your content is by saying like, we offer the carpet cleaning Los Angeles residents love or have trusted for years. Anything like that, as long as it sounds natural and not like you're just throwing it in there. And one more quick tip I have for you regarding those keywords is to save your images as them. It might not let me do it. Let's see right here. Well, anyways, when you save your images on your website, you can save them as keywords to help you rank for them. So my second tip for you today is called backlinks, and that's pretty much just anywhere another website's linking to yours, driving traffic to it, or anywhere it's linking to yours via a clickable text. So the reason why it's so important to have these is because Google is like a popularity contest. So they want to see those trustworthy and relevant websites vouching for yours. So you're going to get more power with other carpet cleaning companies linking to you versus having a random company like Starbucks linking to you because Google knows you guys don't sell lattes. So this tool I used here is what I use to check out backlinks. It's called Ahrefs. Here it says you have 0 websites linking to you and 0 backlinks as well. While over here your competition has 108 websites linking to them and 876 backlinks, which is helping them generate 508 organic traffic per month. So the easiest way to go about acquiring these backlinks is to go into these websites and get them linking back to you as well, because if these links can rank them, it can also rank you. So going into these links, finding which ones are relevant, which ones aren't, and getting those linked back to your site, that paired with content is how you go about taking that #1 spot on Google organically. So now I'm going to talk to you about how to show up here in this map pack down here. But before I do that, to show up in this Google Guaranteed section and the Google Ads, which aren't showing up right now, but they'll be at the bottom of the page down here, right here, it's really the best way to go about getting customers fast. So it does take a little bit longer to show up in this Google Guaranteed section. There are a couple more extra steps, but showing up in the Google Ads is really the best way to go about getting customers as soon as possible. It's really the fastest way to go about that. So to show up here, you need to have more citations than your competitors, and a citation is anywhere that your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as it shows in your Google Business profile here. So, and then those citations in directories, and directories are places like Yelp and Angie's List and those other ones that you probably heard of. The whole idea behind these citations in these directories is that it begins to build up your online presence and allow you to be seen by both people and Google more. So once Google sees you more than it sees your competitors online, the more likely it is for Google to rank you above them. So what I'd do is I'd figure out what directories these top competitors are in, put myself in those same ones, and add a bunch more on top of that. Yeah, so this is all I have for you today. I hope this video was helpful and informative. I tried to keep it short to the point for you. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions. And yeah, I hope you're able to implement this information on your own. So yeah, thanks for checking it out. You have a good one. Bye bye.